So let's start with the basic, alignment and distribution. There are three kinds of alignment: align left or right, align top or bottom, and align center. As for distribution, you can distribute vertically or horizontally. Now, alignments and distributions are very frequently used, but they take a lot of steps to access in the current PowerPoint interface. Let's say I want to align these three objects. I need to go to the Home tab and then to Arrange down to Align and select Alignment. Okay, say if you want to distribute them, you also need to click again and distribute them. Okay, and then if you want to align them in the middle, you need to click again and do them one by one, which is very time consuming. So we have customized a quick access bar to make the whole process a lot easier and faster. Let's say you want to align these items, you can go straight to the quick access bar, align center, distribute vertically, group them and align center and align middle, again, in just a few clicks. You can easily install the quick access bar that we have customized for you. First, download the file from the link below, and then open a blank new PowerPoint, move your mouse to the top ribbon, right-click on it, and choose Customize the ribbon. And then move on to Quick Access Bar on the left menu. Move on to here, Customizations, and under Import, Export, choose Import Customized File. Locate where you have saved the file, select it, and click Open. And then OK. And here it is, your Quick Access Bar on the top of your window. If you like, you can also right-click on it and choose Show below the ribbon, which is my preferred way as well. And you can use them to perform quick commands without navigating through all these tabs. If there's any action that you want to add into the quick access bar, it is very easy. Just right-click on the item and choose Add to Quick Access Bar. And there it is, the shortcut to the action. This bar will stay consistent and always be here no matter which tab you have chosen, so you can easily access them without navigating through the tabs. So let's get back to alignment and distribution and learn more about them. A lot of people have some concepts of alignment, but they don't follow it carefully. Take this as an example. Obviously, this person aligned by eyes. So what are the major problems here? Let's try to find them together. First, the icons are not center aligned to the circle. There's an uneven distance between them. They're not on the same level. Even for the text, they're not on the same height as well. There's an uneven distance between the subheading and the description. They're not center aligned to the icons as well. The margin is uneven. As for the title and the subtitle, they're not center aligned to each other, nor are they center aligned to the slide. So even for a simple slide like this, there's still a lot of alignment works you can do. Fortunately, once you're used to it, it is actually very fast. So let's remove all the markings and try to align them together. Let's start from the icons. So select both of them and go to Quick Access Bar to align center and align middle. Then Ctrl G to grip it. Likewise for the other two, align center, align middle, and grip. And align center, align middle, and grip. Okay, so, and then you may align all of the icons to top, to center, to bottom, doesn't matter, because they have the same size. Okay, so moving on to the text, you can select heading 1, 2, 3 to align top, so they are on the same level. Likewise for the description, select them and align top. Okay, and then you may highlight them and click align center and group them, highlight, align center and grip them, and highlight, align center and grip them. Okay, so now you may roughly adjust their position to a distance that you're happy with. And you highlight all of them and distribute horizontally. Okay, always try to use the computer to distribute and align for you instead of using your bare eyes. Okay, and then group all of them and then align center. So basically this part is perfectly aligned. So let's finish with the titles. So for the text, they are aligned left right now. So you would want to make sure they are aligned center within the text box. And then center align them to each other and then group them and center align to the slide. And here's what you get, a perfectly aligned, neat layout. So before I show more examples, there are a few alignment rules that I want to talk about. The safest way is to use a single alignment for all items. Like in the previous example, everything is aligned center. You can also align everything to the left or to the right, though this is more unusual because people tend to read from the left. So once you feel confident with single alignment, you can experiment with a mix of alignments. You need to divide the page into segments, and within each segment, pick one alignment method. For example, you can center align the header area and left align the body area. You can also add one more section and bottom align the content. Or you can use text and also align them to the left. Within each segment, they should strictly follow the same alignment. For example, aligning center for the header area and aligning left for the other segments. And within each segment, the same type of element should have the same size. For example, the images should have the same dimension, and the text should have the same font size structure, with evenly distributed spacing. This way, even you have a variation of content, you can still achieve a layout that looks neat and in good order. So let's recap. In the beginning, go with single alignment only. And once you have mastered it, you can try a mix of alignments. Remember to divide your content into segments. And within each segment, use one alignment only. And make sure everything is consistent within the same segment.